ensure safety, reliability, and speed. Day by day, we are in direct contact with numerous aircrafts. We handle large aircrafts with capacity of carrying several hundreds of passengers. On the other hand, we also handle aircrafts with short turnaround time. In any case, our profession is to work as perfectly and ethically within a limited time schedule. In any season and any weather conditions, we never compromise with our missions. However, it's the most exciting work with reality that is closer to the airfield and the flight operations. When we are able to depart all passengers on time with safety and smoothly, we feel a sense of accomplishment in the moment when we succeed in creating customers' satisfaction. We always support daily flight safety and comfort. We are the trusted professionals recognized by airlines worldwide.